Are you trying to buy a Propanium account but you don't know which method to use, which type of account you should buy, or where to apply the coupon code? In this video, I will show you how to do so in less than 5 minutes. How to get the discount, the suitable payment method, and your account will drop in less than 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. Welcome to HFX. At HFX, we teach traders how to trade the forex market, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and proper trading psychology for consistent and profitable trading career. Actually, I hadn't really partnered with firms, but this one really caught my attention because of its zero consistency rule, 90% payout split, zero history of payout denial, and it has the most affordable platform accounts to buy. So into purchasing an account, if you click the link, which is the link that you have in this video's comment section or the description link, if it is on X, obviously you saw the file through my handle, and is the link that you are going to get the 15% discount. It used to be 35% discount, but time for the 35% discount has elapsed, and we are appealing to the firm to return that discount as we speak. So you click on challenge. They have different sort of challenges. There's boost, there is flash, there's instant, and there is one step and starter challenge. If you want to test the waters on this farm, you can purchase. Starter challenge is $1,000 account that you can purchase for less than 1 USD. Yeah, you had that right. That is way under 1,300 naira in Nigerian money, and it's 100% profit split. It's one step, and payout is instant. So, like their instant accounts are cheap as well. You can get a 2K account for 18.40 USD. You can get a 5K own for 37.60 USD, and with the discount code, it will be even less than that with 15% discount. So, like they have one step starter and all. So, I really recommend their instant because they don't have consistency rule. Not every instant account has no consistency rule. Their one step is good as well. They have different varieties. So let's test the waters with the starter challenge. As you can see, here are the rules, and the profit split is 100%. You choose, as you can see, $1,000 is $1. Click it. So you can choose these add-ons or not. If you can pass it and get a payout in 0 days, you want your payout in 0 days, you can add these add-ons. But for me, I don't need that. So you proceed to, you have a discount code obviously. Then you enter this, which is 1 USD. So 15% of 1 USD is 15 cents. If you are buying a $10 account, you will get a 1.5 USD discount. You get what I'm saying? So you can do all the calculations on the other accounts. You click on continue. And then the mistake that most people make is choosing any. You select BNB. There are a lot of payment proofs from this very one. You click on continue. You will see this very thing. You should just click on, you confirm, and proceed to provider. You can do your ID verification later, but you can purchase your account even without like ID verification. So here you can scan, you can copy. So the time window is 15 minutes. Copy the amount, the exact amount of BNB, and the wallet address. So here I'll just proceed to my. Yes. What I'll do now is I've already converted it to BNB. So you select on chain, and then you input the wallet address you copied from the site. Like this chain type is obviously BSC. Yeah, since we are sending BNB, and then the withdrawal amount should be. I'll just paste it there. Like copying it and pasting it here is the easiest thing to do. The exact amount of the BNB you are supposed to send to Propanium to buy the account, you click on withdraw. After clicking get code and all, you paste the code from your authenticator, you click on confirm. So it's submitted successfully. At the moment, I'll wait for it to reflect. When it's sent, it will reflect. We trust Propanium because there is no history of payout denial. They pay you out in under 24 hours. Many of my students have already gotten theirs. Like a lot, a lot of my community members, students, and all have gotten their payout from them. If you reach out to support on their Discord, it's very swift. If you have been buying Propanium accounts and you have been having difficulty passing it and all, to scale accounts, you should head on to HFX. If you are not yet ready to, we share updates, signals, qualitative educational content of trading across our social media handles. Beautiful write-ups, sometimes beautiful videos and all. On our Telegram, we share signals. And in our education, we give the best you need to scale all the account you purchase. No more blowing accounts. Our students do the most when it comes to passing accounts and getting payouts. 16, batch 17 is on the way on September, on this very August. Class in session for 16 September batch is opening 15th August. So get ready and get strapped. If you really enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share to other people to benefit.